Hello everyone. Have you been in a situation where you have never received your PR card? Or your PR card is lost, stolen, or destroyed? If that is the case, let me show you the best method to retrieve or get your PR card very soon. So let's get started for today's video and I'll show you step by step how to get your PR card. My name is Urvi and I create videos on immigration in Canada and life in Canada. So be sure to subscribe and leave me a like if this video was helpful to you. Alright, so first thing you need to do is go in the description box and click on this link, which is Solemn Declaration Concerning a Lost, Stolen, Destroyed or Never Received PR Card. Alright, so what this is basically a form and the form number is IMM5451. If you can use this form only if you have waited 6 weeks or longer than normal processing time and you still have not received your PR card. So if you have been waiting, so you can look at the processing time by going to this link, and you can select the drop down and check your processing time and go from there. Then you can use this if you've never received your PR card and it has been over 6 weeks from the normal processing time. And the second scenario is if your PR card was lost, stolen or destroyed, but you don't want to reapply for a new one right now. So that's when you can use this form to get a replacement PR card. So what you have to do is you have to download this PDF form and then you have to complete it and you have to either fax it to a certain number which is given here, or you need to mail it to the PR card processing center in Sydney, and that is the address here. So I have the form here with me and let's fill this form together so that you know what goes in where, and let's complete it together. Okay, so you start with your surname. I'm just going to put fake names here. Client ID number is your UCI number, and you can find your UCI number in any of your visas. You'll find it. You can find it on your work permit. You can find it even on your PR card. Your PR card number is your UCI number, but you have to make sure that that is the right number. So just go ahead, check, make sure your UCI number is what you're putting it here. So I just put some random number for now. Put your date of birth, so I'm from Ahmedabad, India. Again, I put your address here. Okay, once your address is completed, then you can select if you already had your PR card, then you will put it here. If you didn't have your PR card, you can put not applicable because you never received your PR card number, so you don't know. And then your phone number, you'll put your phone number here. If you have a business, your business phone number, you can put it here. If not, that's okay. And then in section number 3, you describe your scenario. Was your PR card lost, stolen, destroyed or never received? In my case, it was never received. I never received my PR card, so I'm just going to use that. Since it was never received, these sections are not applicable because it says never received. If it was lost, then it's asking about when it was lost, which city, which country, things like that. But if it was never received, so here you will write a description that why it was never received. So you can say something like, I entered Canada in September 2022 and since then never received my PR card. I have been waiting for over 200 days now, which is much more than current processing time. Right, just explain them and forgive me for the typos. I'm being not too great in recording and writing, so yeah, so you can write your reason there, and here you have to put what are the efforts you have made to locate this document. So you can say I have raised a web form. If you have raised a web form, you can say you've raised a web form as on so and so date. I called IRCC, I called Canada Post. Whatever your efforts are, put them here. That way they know that it's not that you have, since you've never received you don't have a police report or incident number or anything like that, because if your wallet was stolen, maybe you have a police report and you can add there that my PR card was inside the wallet which was stolen, and here blah blah blah. So you can write whatever situation applies to you. Okay, and that's it. All you have to do is save it. Now you have to print it and hand sign it. You cannot put an electronic signature. You have to hand sign it, put your date you can fill in, that's not a problem. Hand sign it and then either fax it or mail it to the PR card processing center. Alright, so that is a very straightforward process. I hope this was helpful to you. Follow this process and let me know how it went in the comments below, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. Again, my name is Urvi, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me to learn more about immigration in Canada. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.